We're going to change the cabin air filter on a Toyota Corolla. Going to need 2 tools, probably going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and possibly a pair of needle nose pliers. First thing we're going to do is open the glove box. We're going to remove the screw right here on the side. Alright, so we got that screw removed. We're going to slide the little hydraulic cylinder off of the tab. Okay. Now there's going to be a little plastic piece here and a plastic piece over here on the other side. We're going to need to squeeze those inward and open the glove box a little further. There we go. Glove box should come loose. Now if we look up in there, there's going to be a plastic piece which holds in the cabin air filter. We remove that. This is where we may or may not need our needle nose, but we don't need the needle nose at this point. And then, wow, that's the nasty air we're breathing. So now we would slide our new one back in place, clip our plastic piece back in, reinstall the glove box. And then we're going to put our new hydraulic cylinder back on, put the screw back in, and then close the glove box. That's it. Thank you.